Alright, hi everybody. Back here on this Aprilia 2003 sr50 ditech. I'm going to paint the brake calipers today. I'm not going to get them powder coated. I'm not going to take them in and get them sandblasted. But really that's the best way to do it. I'm going to show you how I do it. What I've done. I've tore them down. And any basic mechanic or anybody that knows how to read a parts diagram can actually do this. But the common rule of thumb here is paint prep and cleanliness. So I've already got the rebuild kits for them. So I went ahead and tore them down. I have them soaking in mineral spirits and diesel fuel. Scrubbed them with a green Scotch-Brite pad. Remember, green, coarse, green. Remember that, coarse. That way, your paint prep surface is scoring pretty good. You want that. Usually, you know, if you buy these new, they're nice and shiny. So I don't know if you can see it really good, but they're pretty dull looking, which is a good thing. So I've scored the powder coat on these. The one here. And I think this is probably the front one. I'm not really sure, but it looks like this moped had got laid down at one time. So what I started doing is sanding on it with a soft sanding disc right here on the Craftsman grinder that I got. Now it's kind of a tedious process. But the outcome is probably going to be pretty good. So when I started sanding on this, I thought, well, man, I'm going to go ahead and try to get rid of all the casting flaws on these, the parting lines and what have not. Like you probably see one right here. Let's kind of look over it. Casting flaws, parting lines. I worked in a foundry for 12 years, so I know quite a bit about casting flaws and stuff like that. Again, before you go to paint these, always tape off where the cylinder goes into right here. Your brake fluid will come out of this hole. This hole right here is the guide pin for the pads. The bolt holes and what have not. You really don't, and you know, we probably don't care about the inside too much anyways, because we're more looking for cosmetic, you know, design on these. This one here is kind of a pain in the butt to get all this stuff, man, but the powder coat was just flaking off of it, you know, pretty bad. I took a wide brush to it, Scotch-Brite pad. After you get done doing that, again, make sure they're really clean, really dry. I spray everything with rubbing alcohol before I paint. Then you can prime with a sandable primer, which I have over here. What that sandable primer does is it fills all the imperfections in. Just probably a gray primer. Somewhere over here in this bag, here it is. Right here. This primer right here. And then I think I'm gonna have to go get another Scotch-Brite pad. But anyways, after you spray with primer, just hit it with a light Scotch-Brite pad. Probably zero grit. You can get them at any body shop. Just hit them with the Scotch-Brite pad, man. After you get done priming it, and then stick your paint on there, man, and probably even clear coat it. I'll get back with you as soon as I get all that done. I'm gonna probably show you a video after I get done hitting these with that soft flat sanding wheel. Now, if you got a die grinder, that'd probably work a lot better. That's all I have right now. So, alright, thanks guys. Bye.